Hello guys, today with this video I want to announce some changes to be made on this YouTube channel. My channel is called Laravel Daily and I've been publishing daily videos for every day including weekends since January 30th, 2021. So for more than a year, so more than 400 videos, 400 days in a row for you, usually small videos, quick tips, answering some questions, but the goal was consistently, kind of like morning news. From now, I decided to switch to more structured content. And you have already seen that with my course on inertia, which was published during last 3 weeks or so. So that's one way to publish the videos. So I shoot a course around some topic and then I publish here on YouTube once per day. Another option was yesterday when I publish the full course in one video, Laravel for beginners, Laravel 9 for beginners, in 1.5 hours longer video. And by the way, in the comments, let me know which one do you prefer. If I have 60 or 90 minutes course, do you prefer one per day or do you prefer one longer video? Just curious. But generally, I will stop shooting random videos about random topics and will focus on courses or specific topics for longer time, like from 30 to 90 minutes, and then we'll publish some of it on YouTube, not everything. First, I want to satisfy people who actually invested in my content, paid money for my courses, so I will focus on those and I want to make them happy first, and then some of that content will be republished on YouTube. Maybe half of the course, maybe full course in some case, maybe some random topical videos. Not sure yet, it will depend on my course. But generally that means that this channel will not be daily anymore. Or not necessarily daily. Maybe I will have enough content to still publish daily, and maybe I will have some question which I will have time to answer in a short video. I'm not sure. But from today I just don't promise to be daily. Currently on my courses platform Laravel Daily Teachable.com, I have 28 courses and I have plans to reshoot older courses about Sass, about Eloquent. Next on the list is React.js. So I will focus more on the topics or, for example, demo projects from scratch, something like that. So this video is just an announcement, so you would expect and not ask me in the comments where is the daily video, because on some days there won't be any. And part of the reason of this change, I kind of ran out of those random topics. I've talked a lot about Eloquent, about routing, about validation, kind of covered a lot of edge cases and main cases and tips and tricks from kind of hidden documentation areas. So I think I covered the core Laravel pretty much inside out in random videos. And now I want to dive deeper into certain topics, which I will do next on this channel. I hope you will like my new direction of my journey. If you have any comments, as usual, shoot them below. And see you guys in other videos.